welcome to the English class. Let's continue the chapter The 100 Dresses 1, written by Alvasor Esther. So students, till now we have read that Wanda Petronsky, who is the main central character of the story, was absent in his school on Monday, and it was not noticed by anyone. Why? Because she was not having a friend in her class. As she was a Polish girl, Polish means, as I told you, that people who migrated from other countries and they were shifted in America, they were called as Polish people. So now Wanda Petronsky with her parents also shifted from Poland to America, and she was living in Boggin Heights where poor people were living. So as she was coming to school, and her all classmates were teasing her as by her funny name, because she was having as name Wanda, and most of the students were having names, American people were having names like Smith, George. So as this Wanda name was different from all others, that's why other classmates teased her by her name. And one more thing was there, as she daily comes in same colored dress as it was having blue color of her dress. And when she was asked by her classmates that how many dresses do you have, she always replied in a very calm manner that as she was having 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. So this schedule was going on. And now as on Monday she was absent, and again next day she was also absent, Tuesday she was also absent. Nobody noticed, but now here Peggy and Maddie, who were two best friends in the class of Wanda, and they noticed on the third day, on Wednesday, when all the classmates sit on the front seat to know about their performance. So they noticed that as Wanda was absent, and even they got late because of Wanda. Why? Why they got late? Because they were waiting. They were habitual. They used to wait for Wanda in the morning, just for making her fun by asking about her dresses, by asking about funny questions related to the dresses. So they were waiting for her, but as they could not meet with her, and both of them got late. So they knew this, and because of Wanda they got late. So they noticed that here Wanda was absent on that day. And now Wanda was not coming in these 3 days. Why? What was the reason? Nobody knew, and nobody was concerned about this, because as Wanda was not having any friend in the class, as we discussed already, and she used to sit in the corner of the class where most of the disturbing students sit in the corner. She used to sit alone, and she was not having any friend to discuss and to share her feelings. And even by reading this, and we have come to know that she was having a nature of boasting. Even she belonged to poor class, and she was having very calm and quiet nature, but she was having nature of boasting. That's why she always said that she was having 100 dresses. Maybe to avoid the questions, she thought that if she would reply to her classmates, so their questions would be ended. But it was not going on. So now these two girls, Peggy, who was a pretty and intelligent and very popular girl of the school, she used to ask questions from Wanda about her dresses. So even she was not having intention to hurt Wanda. Even she didn't know that by asking these questions, she was hurting Wanda. She thought that as if she had these dresses, so she should describe. That's why when anybody asked her that why you are making fun of Wanda, she always replied that here I am giving a chance to describe her. Only for this I am asking question. And even she was very concerned, she was very careful, she was very sympathetic towards the people as well as towards animals. So she was very caring girl, but here by asking question from Wanda, indirectly or unintentionally, she was hurting Wanda. And one more girl, who was the best friend of Peggy, the name of that girl was Maddie. Indirectly, she was also supporting Peggy, because even she belonged to poor class, but now as she was standing nearby the Peggy always, as she was asking question from Wanda. So indirectly she was also supporting and helping Peggy. Even intentionally she thought that here they should not do, but this schedule was going on of teasing or making fun of Wanda. So here continuously when 2 days Wanda was absent, and third day also she was absent, and she was noticed by these two girls that she was absent. Now what was the reason of that? Now till now we have read this, and now today we are going to complete this chapter, and let's move into the chapter and find out now what happened in the next part. Now before moving into the next part, let's have a look on the hard words. Hand me down. Hand me down means old clothes given to others. When a person is financially strong or rich people, when they wear their dresses for some time, and sometime after using few times, that is they give their dresses to poor people or needy people. So those clothes, second hand clothes, we will say, they are called hand me down clothes. Now teasing. Teasing means troubling, hurting someone. Disguise. Disguise means conceal. Now drizzling. Drizzling means light rain. Now lavish. Lavish means very grand. Applause. Applause means praise. Exquisite. Exquisite means very beautiful. Stamp. Stamp means put feet on the floor with force. Now let's have a look on the key points of the chapter which we are going to cover today. Now first point is there, Maddie's note to Peggy about Wanda. Second point, the drawing competition. Third, Miss Mason announced the result. And fourth point and last point of this chapter, her classmates' reactions. Now let's see these points in detail. Now students, I discussed already then here Peggy and Maddie, both of them who were best friends, they always troubled and made fun of Wanda because of her funny name and because of her same colored dress. Now here, as they were doing this daily and from 3 days continuously Wanda was absent. So they thought then why she was absent, and now here they were finding out, but they didn't know that here what was the reason of this. At that time, now on the third day here, Peggy and Maddie, as they were attending class, they got late then here because of Wanda, as they were waiting for her, and they did not meet with her, and even they got late by as they were waiting for Wanda. So now as after some time, then what happened? As first point is given, Maddie's note to Peggy about Wanda. So as Madeline always, the full name of Maddie was Madeline, she always thought during making fun of Wanda, then they should change their behavior, they should stop this making fun of Wanda. So now one day she decided to write a note to Peggy, then asking her not to tease. She thought that here she would write a note to Peggy and she would request her to stop all this. But as she wrote each and everything, actually arithmetic period was going on in their class, and she started writing this letter for Peggy. And now during writing she was thinking about the discomfort of Wanda. She thought that if she would write this letter and give this letter to Peggy, so she thought that maybe if Peggy and other classmates would leave teasing Wanda, so maybe their next prey, their next target would be who? Maddie, because she also belonged to poor class and she was also wearing hand-me-down clothes of Peggy. So she thought that maybe if I would be replaced by Wanda and if Peggy would ask the same question from me, then here Peggy, Maddie, then how many dresses do you have? So what my reply would be there, and people would come to know that here I am wearing clothes of Peggy. So here the mystery would be opened, and all the things then which are hidden, then they would be revealed, they would be known by each and everyone, then as I am wearing clothes of Peggy and all these. And as Wanda was feeling uncomfortable, same condition would be there with me. So here as Wanda had described her blue and green velvet dress with each little detail, and all these things were also going on in the mind of Maddie, and she was thinking that if they would leave by my note, that if all the classmates with Peggy would leave teasing Wanda, they would start teasing me. So by thinking and by coming of these horrible thoughts, she tore that note, and she decided not to give this note to and letter to Peggy, and she rejected, or she denied, we can say, or she refused to give this letter to Peggy. And now as she was thinking about this, all things were going on, all of a sudden then here all the thoughts took the place with the thoughts of the drawing competition which was held in their school. So now, and in that drawing competition, actually topics were given to the students. Now topic of drawing was there for the boys, then boys had to draw motorboats and girls had to draw beautiful dresses. So in which all the students took part, and everybody was confirmed, everybody was very confident that here Peggy would win this competition, because Peggy was very good in drawing. So here everybody was having confidence, and in this Wanda also made 100 designs of dresses. So as drawing competition was completed. Now but next day it was a turn, as the third point is there, Miss Mason announced the result. Next day it was turn of announcement of the result. Everybody was very excited about the result. But now as during competition even Wanda was present, but now it was a time of result, and Wanda was still absent on the same day, and everybody was curious. Now Miss Mason, who was the class teacher of room number 13, the room number 13, that was the room of all the students. Now Miss Mason came for doing the announcement of result of drawing competition. And now here, as Peggy and Maddie, they did not care about the Wanda, she was absent or not. They went to their room very hurriedly, and when they reached to their room, they were very surprised to see that it was beautifully decorated with the drawing, and it was decorated with the bright colors. Actually, then class had assembled, and the class teacher Miss Mason announced the winners of the drawing contest. And then who was the winner? Jack Bagels was the winner among the boys, and Wanda Petronsky was the winner in girls. Everybody, especially the judges, they were immensely impressed by her drawings, and each of her drawing was capable of winning the contest individually. But Wanda was absent, and Miss Mason showed her drawing to all the students. Each and every student was praising her drawings, and the drawings which, as she told about her dresses, and as she was having dress of jingle red with a jingle red sash, and she was having pale blue dress, then these dresses were also included in her designs which she drew during drawing competition. So when this result was announced and Wanda was announced as the winner of this competition, so all her classmates became very happy. They started clapping in joy for Wanda. They found then, as all the dresses were used to describe, as she used to describe in her conversation, as maybe green velvet one, blue one and red one. Now each and everybody, even Wanda was absent, but everybody was praising and they were applauding. Now boys were taking fingers in their hands and they were whistling, and now they started hooting, and they were each and everybody was appreciating Wanda's efforts, and maybe indirectly everybody was missing by describing or by praising her dresses. So we have seen that as she was absent, but because of her efforts, because of her beautiful designs made during drawing competition, she was present there. So with this, the chapter the 100 dresses one, that part has completed. And now after this drawing competition, what was happened, then why Wanda Petronsky was absent, and what was the reason, and what happened after this competition, this part we will see in the next chapter. So students, till then, thank you very much.